we have our author. Sorry, I was talking to the audience. I was boring them. And so nice to see you.
Hi Rishabh, how are you?
Doing good. And thank you for doing this with us. You know, you're somebody who needs little introduction, but I need to do the basic introduction. तो 2 मिनट के लिए मैं आपका पहले इंट्रोडक्शन कर लेता हूँ
बताओ।
जी। तो ये ऑथर सीरीज है, आयमन पे ऑथर सीरीज कर रहे हैं, पर ऑथर सीरीज में जैसे अमीश त्रिपाठी जी जैसे है जिन्होंने आपके लिए फॉरवर्ड लिखा है, there is Jeffrey Archer and a lot of other people who have been a part of this. But the really important part about the author series is that, and I was so happy, I didn't know this, somebody told me this. They said all 4 pillars of democracy are covered. We've had the legislative, so उसमें शशि थरूर और सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी जी आ गए. Judiciary था तो उसमें पिंकी आनंद जी आ गए. Then we had media personalities like Rajdeep and so on and so forth. And executive. And in the executive, we had an IAS officer. I said, IAS say we can't complete the executive. We need to find an IPS officer. And then I think at least 100 young people recommended saying, have you read Bihar Diaries? And I asked them saying, kya hai ye? And they were like, Rishabh, you think you are smart? You're not smart if you not read Bihar Diaries. So I picked up Bihar Diaries and I said, we have to get this man. And I am so delighted that the real life Singham or Suryavanshi is with us today. Thank you so much for doing this. And welcome to I'm an Official's author series.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you all to all the audience who are tuned in right now. But Rishabh, thanks for all the lovely accolades you bestowed upon me. But Singham is one thing which I really do not like. Because, you know, it's only in the films that you see Singhams or Dabangs. You know, you see police in 2 extremes. Either they're extremely bad, you know, unfit, and they're doing all the wrong things that can happen in this world. Or else they are Singhams or Dabangs who take the law in their own hands. It's not like that. We're all normal people like you. And we go by the law. But don't worry, I'll make this talk very, very entertaining. Don't worry. It's not going to be a very serious talk. But Singhams and Dabangs, yeah, surely I'm not.
Singham and Dabang, you are surely not.
Looking
But
forward to somebody who stands by the law, who does the right thing. Yes, that I am.
Chalo, this you made this clarification at the outset. But आप पुस्तक जैसे लिखते हो, तो it's like Singham only. It's so I'm not joking. I picked up your second book before this conversation, and I started reading it, and it is very easy to read. ऐसे लगता है कि किसी के साथ आप conversation कर रहे हैं. It's more like a conversation, less like a book. So many congratulations on that style of writing, because you know at the end of the day बड़ी बड़ी पुस्तकें लिखी जाती है. 900 पेज की पुस्तक दूसरी आपके साथ पढ़ रहा था. It was President Obama's book, and you know I had to take the dictionary 10 times. But आपकी पुस्तक जब पढ़ रहा था, तो it was very easy on the eye and very very lucid. So I'm glad that you write in a way that young India can understand. So
that is exactly the purpose, Rishabh. That is exactly the purpose. So that more and more people read it, and yes, that's it. If they can learn a thing or two from the book, I'll be more than happy.
No, so let's get to the book because it's very interesting. आपने पुस्तक में एक बहुत ही अच्छी चीज लिखी है. You've mentioned that there was a small pep talk, and I really like your sense of humor. As Tapsi Pannur says in your book, you know, she gave that quote saying that you explain it in a very funny manner, in a jovial manner. आपने बताया that you were more concerned with your looks at one point in time, and you played a prank on one of your friends.
Yeah.
But rather than your books, you were concerned with your looks. But now the last 1 year is such that forget books and looks, we don't know what to do. I'll tell you something, that in the last 1 year for young people, we've been locked down at home, and every time we plan to go out, there's a new curfew that comes in. So for all the 1600 plus people who are watching right now, and even the others who are going to be watching this, how do you pick yourself up? How do you motivate yourself and try to focus on the right thing? Because you said a pep talk helped you. But at the end of the day, what if there is this pep talk, this pep talk is not there? How do you look inward? Because you say you look inward. So how do you look inward and do this?
Rishabh, I know it will sound very cliche. When I had gone to IIT, I had this notion about me that I'm a brilliant student. Like anyone, if you clear IIT, obviously you must be good. And there I realized that I realized 2 things. First of all, I was not at all interested in engineering, not at all. And the second thing was that I saw that everybody around me was brilliant, actually. They were geniuses. So I developed this complex that I'm good for nothing, and I retracted into my own shell. I created a shell around myself. was very quiet, very timid, very shy. And I used to just think negative that this thing will go wrong, that thing will go wrong. So the more negative I thought about myself, the more negative things happened around me. And then when I was really, I won't even say crossroads, I had no purpose in life. There was nothing. My life was absolutely aimless. Even at a crossroads, you had at least few options to go here or there. But my life, my friends, they had all gone for IIMs and USA, and a lot of people have succeeded really well. But I was the one who was unemployed sitting at my home. And worse than that, I was totally depressed. I had no clue about what is happening to my life. And even in things in which I was good at, small things like quizzing, sketching competition, squash competition, I used to turn out a loser during those two tournaments also. The first round, I was out everywhere. So this pep talk was from a friend of mine. It was not exactly a pep talk. It's actually, this is what happened with me. He had come to Jaipur, Yashish Daya, the CEO of PolicyBazaar.com. He was 1 year senior to me in IIT Delhi, and he had come to Jaipur. And उसको मैंने ऐसे ही पता नहीं कैसे मन में मैं कहा याशीष जो जिंदगी में चाहते हैं कहाँ मिलता है. He said नहीं, जो जिंदगी में चाहते हैं वही तो मिलता है अपने को. And I just thought about it, आप कहेंगे कि ये क्या इतनी सी बात से कोई कैसे चार्ज अप हो सकता है. Then I just thought कि मैं चाह ही नेगेटिव चीजें रहा हूँ. I'm just thinking negative, everything around me is happening, it's in a negative way. I used to think that I was the luckiest person in the world. Every which way I was a loser. I had no girlfriend, no nothing. You can imagine a young boy going through a terrible time. And then I realized that everything starts from me. Earlier I used to think that I'm not good looking, this and that. Not that my looks have changed, but then I developed a confidence about myself. So that was obviously much later when I became an IPS officer, etc., etc. But before that, I changed myself. I stopped looking for outward validation, and I just knew that the battle has to begin from yourself, from within. Again, I'm repeating, it's very cliche, but ultimately, who's going to fight your battle or your war? You have to start from yourself. So I just had this entire intense desire to become an IPS officer. And I thought that I'll start feeling very confident about myself, and I'll start thinking positively about everything. And trust me, Rishabh, and all the people who are listening to me right now, I'm not exaggerating. People who know me very well, my friends, my colleagues, last 24, 25 years, I've been extremely positive about everything. And the more positive I think, the more positive things happen around me. Right from writing a book to talking to all of you people today. I was a very timid guy, as I told you, very shy guy. I could not have spoken in front of 2 or 3 people in my room in IIT Delhi. I used to feel so conscious that, people will make fun of me. I used to remain quiet. Ye Delhi ke ladke hain, wahan Bombay ke ladke, main to, main ye hoon. I don't know. I developed a huge complex about myself. And then I changed totally. And today at this age, I'm 47. I'm taking part in tournaments of tennis, national tournaments. I'm winning them. I'm doing whatever I desire because I think that I can do it, and I do it. It's not that I'm just thinking, I work towards it also. But this thing can make a huge change to your life. And success, happiness, whatever, it does come to you when you think positively.
So be positive.
Yes, absolutely.
That's my
believe in yourself. If you can't do it, nobody else can do it. You can do it.
It's true. And plus, it's my blood group, so it helps. So you need to be positive. You need to be positive all the time. But आपने बताया that आशीष जी के साथ you are a good friend. He's your batchmate. So quick question. We'll keep it restricted to 1,600 people who are watching and the others. The Policy Bazaar.
Yashish Daya.
Yashish Daya. Correct. That you are good friends with him. So I'm just going to ask you a secret question, which we won't tell the answer to other people outside. Okay. Is it? Can we get some shares of Policy Bazaar before it becomes listed?
I wish, other friend of mine, he owns a company called India Bulls, but I never bothered about his shares. I wish I could have been a millionaire, but I'm very happy being a police officer. Very happy.
No, I'm just, but I'm just trying to lighten up the mood. But let me ask you this question. Because आपने जैसे बताया that, there are 2 types of officers, and I even put this up actually on Instagram myself. I said, in today's day and age, you say that you are an independent branch of democracy. But आपने अपने पुस्तक में ही लिखा है that आप politician को जब मिलते थे तो साहिब बोलते थे. अभी why is this VIP culture, this साहिब culture there? And what is the...
मैं नहीं बोलता था, जो staff बोलता साहिब वहाँ wait कर रहे हैं.
नहीं तो करेक्ट. ये मैंने, चलो आप जैसे आपने बताया that in the book it's not you saying it, but it was your staff that was saying it. But point is that मैंने हर एक कोई भी पुलिस वाले को देखा है, तो I'll be very honest, and I've seen them with the politician more or less. तो सलाम always भरते. So if this is if it's independent of the politician, then why is there and see, I'm not Arnab Goswami
पहले
or Rajdeep,
पहले
but I have
आपने
to
क्या
ask
बोला?
you this question.
सलाम
Why?
सलाम करते हैं हमेशा। आपने क्या बोला? सलाम करते हैं हमेशा
Always
पुलिस
salam.
वाले। तो
Always salam.
सलाम, you know what is a salute? A salute is a wish. When you say good morning to somebody, hello, hi, hello, तो पुलिस में होता है, this is salute. When I'm wearing a uniform, even if there is a lady, I will salute to her, my senior's wife. This is a way of, my junior salutes me, I reply to him with a salute. So it's nothing, we are proud of saluting. And rahi baat politicians ki, before you come to your next question, politicians, again, as I told you, the way we are a reflection of the society, politicians are a much vilified community. I'm not trying to be diplomatic. I'm speaking from experience. Ultimately, it's people like you and I who vote for them. Either you fight the election yourself or stop complaining, sitting from your armchair in your drawing rooms or whatever, that, ye politician kharab ho, kharab hai. And who says India is a thriving democracy? It's a lovely country. We have a new political party like AAP, which has come to our second time in the capital city of this country. So it's not that, and the chief minister is an IT grad. It's not that he has come from a criminal background. It's nothing like that. And politics, police, judiciary, these are all very integral parts of the democracy. And I see nothing wrong with that. Because politicians have been given a mandate by people like you and me. They win an election. Mind you, it's not an easy thing winning an election. It takes a lot of time. So please don't vilify all the politicians. I'm not trying to be diplomatic. Trust me. I've had all kind of experiences with politicians, the good, the bad also. But again, these kind of people are everywhere in the society. It's in the police also. We have black sheep. It's in the film industry also. People who are arrested for drug use. We have cricketers who, in spite of making millions, still they will be hunky-dory with bookies. So this is the society. So just look.
Correct. I'm not going to probe you further on this, but I'll ask you this one thing.
You can. I'm free. I'm willing to answer all your questions. Don't worry.
It's society, and आपकी पुस्तक में भी आपने लिखा है that there is good and bad in everybody. I accept, and I'm not going to vilify politicians. Please, by all means, all the politicians that I have met, I have highest regard for some of them. But what my problem is, and this is what is the problem when it becomes, and when I had some of these judiciary as much as even the Chief Justice coming in, and I ask this on behalf of young people. When you see normal people, Bollywood देखते हो आप जब author देखते हो और उसमें there is good and bad, but जब politician है, 40% of politicians, tell me which field has 40% criminal records? Up MLA and upwards, if you count the number of politicians in our country, 40% of them have criminal records. And this is not my statistic. Now the thing is, these are the people whom the police is saying Sahib, not just saluting, but is saying Sahib in front of me. And I'm from IMON, we've had elected members of parliament, not just elected members in government. And I know what is the charge sheet on that person. And I feel so bad when the police do that. So मैं आपको ये प्रश्न पूछना चाहता हूँ that when there are about 580,000 VIPs in our country, and for every 600 Indians there is one police officer, but for every MLA there are 3 police officers. तो ये आपको कभी दर्द नहीं होता that saying that IPS officer होके that this is what the police has come to?
नहीं, I'll tell you 2-3 things. See, we work in a system. And the system, I make the system. As Inspector General of Gaya right now, I am the system. Correct. I decide what is to be done, what is not to be done. And I'm not exaggerating, Rishabh. I'm sure you must be having friends in the police as well as in Bihar. I have not had a single experience of political interference. I know I'm live and many people are thinking that I must be, bluffing, but it's not. See, ultimately, politicians, they also realize what kind of a person you are. If you're honest, not only in terms of money, but in terms of your work, also your ethical principle, you do the right thing, they will never bother you, never ask you for anything wrong, because they will know that you will not do it. At times, you're unsuitable in their scheme of things. It happens. You may be transferred out. So, ultimately, all governments, they require good officers. For 6 months, you might be sitting in some inconsequential office. But ultimately, all governments, they need officers to run the government. So it's not that, politicians हैं तो फिल्मों वाला जॉब देख रहे हो. रही बात साहेब की बात आप कर रहे हो, I don't know. 23 साल मुझे भी नौकरी होगी ऋषभ. मैंने किसी IPS अफसर को तो ऐसे नहीं सुना बोलते हुए. आपने किसको सुना मुझे नहीं पता किस रैंक के लोग हैं, but IPS officers, obviously सर तो बोलेंगे when you have elected somebody, you can't call a minister by his name. Even the USA, You meet where everybody calls everybody by their first names. You can't call, Barack Obama that I'm the chief of CIA and I'll call him, hi Barack, how are you? I'll call him Mr. President or or Sir. So there has to be decorum to the post that he holds. A lot of people call me Amit, but when they meet me in the office, they will obviously address me as Sir. Even celebrities who are very close friends of mine, I asked them once, why do you call me Sir, when you're my friend? Almost the same age group. Bola, Amit bhai, you are holding a post which has certain sanctity. You cannot spoil that institution. Tomorrow, otherwise, everybody will stop bothering, the system will collapse. You can't call the Prime Minister by his first name, the General of the Indian Army by his first name, or something like that. So,
No,
politicians also hold it.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that call people by their first name. I'm not telling somebody to call you by your first name.
You are asking how I feel, how I feel when I interact with somebody who's got a bad record. You can be specific to me. You want to know my reaction, how I feel?
No, what I want, the reason why I want to ask you this question is because what is doing rounds today in media, and this is the case which a lot of young people are following, and some of these questions are prepared by them. It's not, I'm not playing devil's advocate on my own. So the reason,
not at all. You can ask me a lot of questions. I hope I'll be able to satisfy that, but always there are two sides of the coin. I'll try to justify my answers. You please go on. Yeah.
Your answers are perfect and very insightful as well. But what I wanted to ask is, in this, what happens is that there is, like you said, the police are also sometimes vilified, and you are saying that bad to call somebody by their first name. By no measure am I saying that you should go and call Dr. Shashi Tharoor by his first name saying Shashi, or you should call Prime Minister Modi by saying Narendra. There's that. By no means am I saying that. But the subservience attitude, and the reason why I say this is because what happens is when you have something like Wazirgate, when that happens and when that shakes up the system, when you have people like Meera Burvankar, who is the first woman to lead Mumbai's crime branch, right? And she's gone on record, and not just she, but a lot of IPS officers from your fraternity have gone on record and said, if you are not subservient to the politician, then you get transferred out. So there is no option. Vasuli to karni padti. Abhi vasuli hoti hai, whether police do it or not, I'm not getting into that. But what I'm trying to ask is, my first question is that subservient attitude it starts with Sahib, but not in a disrespectful way, which you thought it to be. But from there it goes on up until the extent saying, इसके सामने sedition charges file करो, इसके सामने वो करो. And I know so many friends against whom sedition charges have been filed in the CA NRC protests. And I can tell you this, that those were incorrect. But when I went to a lot of people in the police fraternity, many of your friends in Bombay, etc., helped spontaneously across the country. But what I'm trying to say is, eventually, phone pe batate hain, I'm being very transparent with you because I can afford to be transparent. A politician nahi ho. So, is they say political pressure tha, to aap samajh sakte ho, kya hoga? So, does this happen? Is it subservient attitude? Is it exist? I'm not saying with you. I'm saying in the police force, does it exist?
इसका भी आंसर खुद ही मतलब देखो मैंने पहले भी दिया था ऋषभ अगर सभी सबसर्वेंट होते मुंबई में आपने you took the name of Meera Burvankar isn't it and you know her integrity and she was made the head of the crime branch wasn't she
correct
so every time it happened there will be one bad apple then there will be somebody else who will come and clear the rot it happens everywhere Indian cricket team में भी होगा you will find my answer very juvenile but ये होता है suddenly team will be bad then you'll get an entire new crop कि यार वापस Indian cricket team को ठीक करो we are all humans जो आप कह रहे हो subservient it's a personal choice there's so many people Julius Ribeiro he also headed Mumbai police he's 92 years old right now but look at the firebrand officer he is still today after retirement he is calling a spade and mind you he remained the Mumbai police commissioner became DGP of Punjab he became an ambassador to Romania later on so it doesn't mean that politicians and he was as straight as an arrow तो आप उसके बाद भी उनको इतनी अच्छी पोस्टिंग्स दे रहे हो तो ऐसा नहीं है तो इस सिस्टम में इस तरह की कुछ लोगों की वजह से बदनामी होती जो भी आप बात बता रहे हो बट लेट्स नॉट फॉरगेट द सैक्रिफाइसेस मेड बाय पीपल लाइक मिस्टर हेमंत करकरे he was an additional DG rank officer Mr. Kamte during 2611 these were very senior officers still they went out on the roads of Mumbai usually लोग सोचते हैं IPS अफसर तो सिपाही को बोल दिया थानेदार को बोल दिया but they themselves went there and they were killed by terrorists in the line of duty There are people like Mr. Vijay Kumar who stayed in the jungles for 3 months to arrest Virappan. You know that story, all of you know it. There's so many people who are leading the CRPF right now, working in the jungles of Bastar, Chhattisgarh, working in Bihar right now. IPS officers I know, as I'm speaking to you, who are conducting raids against terror, criminals, Naxalites, everybody. So there are all kinds of people of subservient. It's a personal choice, absolutely. हमारे घर में भी हमारे भी staff जो होता है, I will have 5 sub inspectors working with me. कुछ होंगे जो बिल्कुल चापलूसी करेंगे. हुजूर जब से आप आए बस बिहार बिल्कुल सुधर गया. आपसे अच्छा कोई अफसर नहीं था. There'll be some people who will be absolutely neutral. अपने काम से काम रखेंगे. But it's for me to decide कि किसको मेरे को कितनी value देनी है. As an IG, I must know कि ये चापलूसी कर उसको यहाँ से भगाओ. But this man, he's not saying a word to me, but I know he's very efficient, very effective, very honest. Obviously, I'll have respect for him. So similarly for IPS officers also, the politicians, the system, the public, they all know what kind of a person you are. You might not become the DGP or become the CPO of Mumbai, but still people have respect for him. See, now Mr. Nagrale has come. He was a low-profile officer, absolutely quiet, but he has been made the CPO of Mumbai. You will not hear a single allegation against him. So this is the way how things work, We'll have bad people around. Abhi, I'm just watching Narcos on Netflix. I'm quite outdated, unlike you youngsters. But I'm fascinated. Colombia was in the middle of, it was unbelievable, appalling corruption, appalling. Everybody was on sale there. But still there were a handful of men who did not care about their families, about their personal security, but they went after Pablo Escobar, the entire, the narco-terrorism angle. They lost their families, lost their dear ones. Still they, got rid of Pablo Escobar. So this is the way the world works. So let's not forget the sacrifices of so many people who have worked brilliantly. And subservient, these are people, but you can't, it's their personal choice. If you want to make 100 crores in Mumbai, yes, you will like to be subservient. As simple as that. I'm an IT graduate. If I wanted to make money, I could have joined Yashish's company. I could have gone here and there. This is something I've chosen as an IPS officer. I know my salary is not great, but not bad. I'm very happy with whatever I'm having. So it depends on me. I'm not subservient. I'm not making money, but I'm extremely happy. And Rishabh, I'm having the best of postings also. It's not that, I'm sidelined somewhere.
I'm not.
So there are a lot of people. I'm just giving you an example. So there are a lot of people like me, much better than me, who are out there in this country working. It's not that nahi ho raha hai kaam. बहुत लोग हैं.
No, बहुत लोग हैं, but ज़्यादा करके, that's what my question is majority.
ज़्यादा अच्छे लोग हैं, ज़्यादा अच्छे लोग हैं, नहीं तो system collapse हो जाता. I'm telling you.
तो आप मुझे ये बताइए why, and I'm probing this the last time. So why did a person who had 2 criminal charge sheets against him, why was he reinstated? He was saying that there is only little nexus between the politicians and there's the 4 pillars of democracy are independent. Let's believe that.
Talking about law, फिर वाजे Mumbai वाला जो है, आप उसकी बात कर रहे हैं.
Correct.
See, even I don't know the answer, but obviously there's much more to what meets the eye. Obviously, 16 years of suspension. He was kind of dismissed or suspended. He's reinstated on very flimsy, grounds, and then he's given very sensational cases. So everybody knows something is wrong, but you can't brand the entire Mumbai police for that. No. Obviously, something hunky-dory. So I really have no idea, but yes, they're paying for it. Today, he's behind bars, and once he spills the beans, many more people might go. And NIA also, it's again the police who has, caught hold of him. So it's the same, it's nothing like, kuch naya nahi hai.
I know it's a thankless job and I'm just more difficult. But I must do this because I'll tell you why. And there's a reason why I'm doing this. The reason why I'm doing this
I'm enjoying the conversation, don't worry. I'm
sorry?
I'm enjoying the conversation. You can ask me any question. Don't worry about it.
Achha, ye because the reason why I'm saying this is because in your chapter there's Naxal ki Ayyashi, all right, and you speak about in this chapter called Naxal ki Ayyashi, you speak about how police officers are putting their lives on the line and how you saw that entire episode take place and you were part of it. And I commend and salute people like you, quite literally. But what I see is that you are an anomaly in the entire system. That unfortunately, after seeing, and I've not seen as much as you have, but I don't see there to be any difference in the 4 pillars of democracy in a large way when it comes to certain individuals in the system who are corrupting it. So let me ask you this for the last time, that do you feel that there are elements in both the police force, in all the 4 pillars of democracy, that sometimes make matters difficult for people such as you who are honest officers to to do things on ground. If you don't accept that majority is bad, you say majority is good, let's go ahead with that. But do you at least accept that there are certain elements out there who are making life more difficult for things to happen on ground?
देखो होता है ऋषभ, आई विल नॉट डिनाई दैट, आई विल नॉट डिनाई, एंड पर्टिकुलरली लोअर लेवल पे होता ही है, यू नो, व्हेन यू हैव दिस कंप्लेंट, छोड़ो अपन इतना डीप पे नहीं जाते कि ना समबडी गोज टू अ पुलिस स्टेशन, एफआईआर दर्ज नहीं होती, वो कहता है मुझसे बात बहुत बदतमीजी से की, ब्ला ब्ला, बहुत से क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, हम इतने कॉम्प्लिकेशन होते हैं, सिंपल सी चीज है कि आपका नॉर्मल काम है, रूटीन में है, बट उसकी भी मेरी थियरी है, आई डोंट नो, अब आपको बहुत आउटलैंडिश लगेगी, एक तो इट्स नॉट अ डिफेंस, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू द फैक्ट कि पुलिस विभाग को जब आप ज्वाइन करते हैं, लोग ऑलरेडी उम्मीद करते हैं कि यू शुड बी टफ एंड रफ, यू नो, व्हेन आई जॉइंड द सर्विस माय सीनियर एसपी टोल्ड मी दैट यू आर टू सॉफ्ट टू बी एन आईपीएस ऑफिसर, लाइक व्हाई सर, आई एम डूइंग माय जॉब विद absolute integrity, and you know, well, and you're very well behaved with people, very polite, you know, you're too soft to be a police officer. So then I changed my tactics, thoda main bhi rude and rough and tough hua, jo nahi hota hai, but I realized this is not me, and I'm not an uncivil person, I'm an IPS officer, there's no need for me to shout at somebody and show him my power and all that. So मैं tough अपने decisions के साथ हमेशा सब कुछ ठीक रहा, लेकिन नीचे जो हमारी सोसाइटी में लोग, my relatives, they would say, you know, कि अरे भैया आप पुलिस में तो फायदा किया, उसको ठीक कर देते, हमारा काम करवा देते, दिस एंड दैट, नहीं होता है कोई सोसाइटी में। आई एम टेलिंग यू, our doctor, he had returned from London after completing his FRCS when I was SP Purnia. He said, SP साहब आप बड़े सॉफ्ट हो गए, जो आपने पहली बात थी ना, आपने जो दबंगियत थी, दिस इज द वर्ड ही यूज्ड, अभी आप पे नहीं, मैं कहा क्या करना चाहिए डॉक्टर साहब मुझे, आप चौक पे खड़े होकर लोगों को बेल्ट निकाल के पीटिए तो लोग अपना डरेंगे पुलिस से। मैं कहा डॉक्टर साहब गलती से आप ही वहां से आ रहे होते और मैं आपको बेल्ट से पीटता, आपको अच्छा लगता? यू नो, पब्लिक ऑल्सो, जैसे हमने कहा दबंग सिंघम, पीपल वांट इन हमारे यहाँ पुलिस वालों को रफ एंड टफ बनना, तो धीरे धीरे उनके कल्चर में आ जाएगा, यू नो, बदतमीज होना, कोई आपको ढंग से बिठा देगा तो कहेंगे ये तो पुलिस वाला बहुत ही ढीला है, बहुत ही कमजोर पुलिस वाला, इससे काम नहीं होने वाला है। नंबर 1। नंबर 2, हमारे जो पुलिस वाले उन पे इतना ज्यादा स्ट्रेस है, यू नो, अगेन दिस इज नॉट अ डिफेंस, नॉट अ जस्टिफिकेशन टुवर्ड्स देयर बिहेवियर, बट you sit in the police station for one day, undermanned, under-resourced, short of time, and plethora of problems. मतलब मेरे को IG गया, when I'm an IG, not even the SSP, relatively, you know, very cool. I'm not mincing any bone, man. I'm not lying. Relatively मेरी लाइफ बहुत पीसफुल है आज की तारीख में. I'm a very senior officer. उसके बाद I get not less than 50 or 60 phone calls a day. Out of those 60 phone calls, 45 are absolute nonsense. किसी का कल फोन आया कि सर मैं लड़की के साथ भाग गया हूँ, अब मेरे लड़की के माँ बाप नाराज हो रहे हैं, मेरे को उनसे बचाओ। मैंने कहा यार लड़की बालिग है, नहीं लड़की 16 साल की। मैंने कहा तुम पहले उल्टे काम कर रहे हो, नाउ यू आर कॉलिंग द आईजी दैट आई मस्ट डिफेंड यू। मैंने कहा यही गलत है कि तुम प्यार में भी पड़ गए हो,
बराबर
मतलब कुछ तो रूल्स है, नियम कानून है। अब नो दैट प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज माई प्रॉब्लम, द गर्ल एंड द बॉय बिलोंग टू डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज। और उतनी दिन उसका फोन रखा, डीजी साहब का फोन आ गया कि गया मैं, देखो होली के टाइम पूरा आपको ध्यान रखना है, सबकी होली की छुट्टी कैंसिल हो जानी चाहिए, दिस एंड दैट, कोरोना बढ़ रहा है उसका भी ध्यान रखना है। फैमिली से मिले तो मेरी तो फिर भी देखो आई एम लिविंग अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल, बट सिपाही और थाना प्रभारी को तो फैमिली से कम मिलता है, कहाँ उनके बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं किसी को नहीं पता है। तो इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रेसफुल वर्ल्ड आई एम टेलिंग यू आउट देयर, नॉट अ जस्टिफिकेशन टुवर्ड्स देयर बिहेवियर। So to complexity, then, you know, no final thing I want to tell you. When you go abroad, I'm sure all of you have traveled well. The younger generation has traveled well. You see in London, the police officers call you, hello sir, can I help you? Hello ma'am, can I help you? Correct. When I came back to India after having done a course with the London police, I thought I must do it in India. But tell me honestly, how many of us actually deserve to be called sir or ma'am in India? In the sense that you are arguably educated, but the first option you get, you will cross a red light when nobody's looking at you, when there's no CCTV. The second option you get, you will tell the police officer कि आप जानते हो मैं कौन हूँ, मेरे रिलेटिव कौन हो। तीसरा ऑप्शन होगा यार कुछ ले दे के मुझे छोड़ दे, 500 का चलाना है, 100 रुपए लेके ले ले। तो all of us, the moment we get a chance, you know, I am being very honest, you can crucify me for this, whenever we get a chance during, अब तो वो भी चलो खत्म हो गया, इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच होता तो तमाम हमारी देशभक्ति जगती है, या फिर कोई पुलवामा टाइप को इंसिडेंट हो जाएगा, या फिर बॉर्डर पे आएंगे। आई वाज आईजी ऑफ बीएसएफ इन राजस्थान, इंडिया के बॉर्डर को देख के लोगों को एकदम जोश आएगा, यू नो सर बस खत्म कर दो, जय हिंद, ये वो हमारे जवान ही करते हैं। जैसे ही वो बीओपी से बाहर निकले, मैंने मेरे सामने की बात है, पानी से वाटर बॉटल जो प्लास्टिक की उन्होंने सड़कों पे फेंकी है, मतलब they ogled at the young girls going from, मतलब what not they are doing, and then they deserve, you know, that I should call them sir or ma'am. So
नहीं
responsibility has to start from both the sides. The day the citizens also evolve as
नहीं
responsible people of this country, you know, ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती है, तो obviously दोनों तरफ से ठीक हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल एंड आई एम नॉट डिफेंडिंग सिविल सोसाइटी एंड सेइंग दैट यू नो हम लोग की गलती नहीं है. वी शुड आल्सो इम्प्रूव. यंग पीपल शुड टेक चार्ज एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड एंड आई अप्रिशिएट दैट. बट आपने एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बताई. आपने बताई कि मतलब द your life in comparison to the life of a thanedar or person who is starting in the police force is very bad. Now police reforms last 1861 mein hue. The last and then after that all the amendments have only shifted powers to the politicians. This is why I'm saying that and you've written in your book that आप जो vest पहनते हो वो तेरा it's 7 kgs or 10 kgs, correct me if I'm wrong, and स्टील के there are 2 steel rods that are put out there, और जब आप वो चलते हो तो मतलब it feels so heavy that आपने निकाल के बाद में you went ahead and you participated in that in all the operations that you have. तो आप मुझे बताइए that 1861 से आज तक जब reforms नहीं हुए, you are also a citizen of this country, you are also a part, you are somebody who lot of young people respect, including me. So sir, don't you feel, and I call you sir with respect, and I say that sir, don't you feel, Amit ji, that it's high time that you all hold the people in power accountable and say reform karo, क्योंकि हमारी जान भी is as important as the one that is on the border.
तो पुलिस रिफॉर्म्स का कब से ही चल रहा है, but ultimately you know it's for the government, for the political system to take a call on it. I'm being very candid about it. And lot of governments, they do want it. Just I'll have to take this call, please.
Yeah, please.
दीपक कुछ अर्जेंट नहीं तो 5 थोड़ी देर में कॉल करूं. It's all right with you? Take it. It was one of my SP's phone call, so I have to take that.
No, please.
So reforms, everybody wants it, but you know, still, you know, without reforms also, Rishabh, let me be very clear about it. I've been in the service for 23 years now. Nobody is stopping you from doing your good work. People can crib, they can complain. अब जैसे किसी कोई crime हो जाता है dastardly, people will come with 10, you know, amendments, new laws, tougher laws. But does the situation change? No. So it's ultimately ऐसा नहीं कि जो present system है वो इतना खराब है कि हम काम ही नहीं कर सकते. ऐसा नहीं है. पूरी independence है. Nobody stops you from doing the right work. Nobody in this country. मैं बिहार में 99 में आया था. Supposedly a very difficult time. And I did a lot of things. Nobody stopped me. And when you have a good idea, you come up with something good, who's stopping you? तो ऐसा नहीं है. तो सिस्टम, मैंने बोला मैं खुद ही सिस्टम हूँ, डिस्ट्रिक्ट के एसपी हूँ, तो मैं ही सिस्टम था. तो रिफॉर्म में जो आप बातें बता रहे हो, फिक्स्ड, यही इस तरह की रिफॉर्म्स हैं, फिक्स्ड टेन्योर्स ऑफ द डीजी, फिक्स्ड टेन्योर्स ऑफ दिस, ये सब चीजें तो हो रही हैं. सीबीआई में भी फिक्स्ड टेन्योर आपको पता है, डीजीज का भी फिक्स्ड टेन्योर हो गया. व्हाट एल्स डू यू वांट एज रिफॉर्म? दे आर गिविंग फुल इंडिपेंडेंस. बट उसके बाद भी देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल who will still be subservient, as the word you used, and there'll still be people who will not care a hoot. वो बोलेंगे 2 महीने बाद आप हटा दीजिए, हमको फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So it's a very personalized thing. So reforms, you know, that looks very good on paper. I'm being very practical. But उसकी जरूरत इतनी नहीं है. आप अपना काम करिए ना. There's sufficient powers and laws already given by the constitution and the government to you that you are free to do a lot of things. रही बात जो वेस्ट वगैरह की बात कर रहे हैं, no politician stops the purchase of bulletproof vests. Let me tell you that. But there are a lot of bureaucratic hurdles.
Correct.
हमारे खुद के लोग ही हैं बहुत. डोंट वरी, इवन इन द पुलिस सर्विस, जो आपकी फाइल को कैसे, नेक्स्ट फाइल को कैसे रोकना है. तो आप ये मत सोचिए कि बाहर के लोग ही गड़बड़ है. तो यू नो, यू हैव टू क्लीन योर ओन हाउस. मेरे से अगर आपको किसी को मिलना होगा, अगर मैं इस तरह का चैनल लगा दूं, जैसे राइट नाउ अभी टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी चल रही है, तो लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे कम अप विद ब्रिलियंट आइडियाज कि मैंने सर ऑनलाइन कर लिया है, मेरे से जिसको मिलना ऑनलाइन अप्लाई करेगा. तो आई लिसन टू दैट विद रैप्ट अटेंशन. I said, wow, that's a wonderful idea on paper. Listen to me, Rishabh.
Right.
But a poor man who has an urgent, immediate problem, you know, expect him to log on. He should buy a mobile phone, smartphone, find out your, you know, ID, vagara, log into the portal of Gaya Police, then meet you. Rather, he would straight away come to your office. That said, I have this problem. Please meet me urgently. And if you are available in the office, meet him immediately. So now, what is the need for all this entire setup of, you know, online registration of meeting with the SP? You get my point? So, जरूरत ही नहीं, इतना कॉम्प्लिकेट करने की चीजों को जरूरत नहीं है. I believe in great simplicity. I'm an IIT grad, but I don't believe in any of these online. सीधा मिलिए, I'm available. My phone is there with me. Every day people call and Most of the times I can easily sort out the problems on telephone. Even if I am not able to sort out the problems, my mere listening to them acts like a balm. I'm not exaggerating. आप 1 मिनट बात किसी की सुन लीजिए और बोल दीजिए अच्छा मैं देख लेता हूँ, अच्छा ऑफिस में मिल लेना, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ. That itself is a big relief for a common man.
नहीं, अब जो बात बता रहे तो बिल्कुल सही है, बट ये इसमें मानवी कंसल जी ने मैंने हाईलाइट किया है, उन्होंने ये प्रश्न पूछा है कि पुलिस रिफॉर्म्स मतलब प्रॉपर सैलरी, टाइमिंग ऑफ पुलिस ऑफिशियल, लॉजिस्टिक्स एटसेट्रा. आजकल that is also an issue, no? I mean, at the end of the day, people don't want to.
This is a big issue, and she's right. I hope they increase my salary. I'll be more than happy. But working hours, even if you have great number of police officers, you simply cannot decide the working hours. 8 hours की shift, अगर it's not possible, ऋषभ, क्योंकि it's a 24-hour job. रात को 2 बजे, even as an IG, अगर मुझे कोई उठाता है, बोलता है कोई serious problem हो गई, I can't say कि मैं तो भी ऑफिस का काम करके आ गया, मैं जाके सोने जा रहा हूँ. It's not possible. आप पुलिस की भर्ती इससे 10 गुना बढ़ा दीजिए, तब भी ये सब होता है. लॉजिस्टिक्स पहले से बहुत इंप्रूव हो चुके हैं. यू प्लीज टेल एवरीबडी अराउंड. ऐसा नहीं है कि गाड़ियां, मैं जब बिहार में 99 में था, गाड़ियां इवन एज एन आईपीएस ऑफिसर मेरे पास गाड़ी नहीं होती थी, बट आज गाड़ियों की कोई कमी नहीं. इट्स नॉट दैट द गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. लेट मी बी वेरी कैंडिड विद ऑल ऑफ यू. हम लोगों के बारे में, सबके बारे में बहुत नेगेटिव हमने एक बना लिया है, शायद फिल्में में ज्यादा देख ली है. Once you enter the system, then you realize कि इतनी बुरी चीजें नहीं है. कितने सारे IAS IPS ऑफिसर्स हुआ, IIT ग्रेड्स हुआ, ब्रिलियंट. आप कंप्यूटर्स वगैरह काम उनसे पूछ के देखिए, they will track down the criminals, do what not. तो बहुत सी चीजें होती है, behind the scenes भी होती है, जो लोगों को पता नहीं. और मेरे को तो लगता है, I'm very optimistic, very sanguine, और इतना बुरा हाल नहीं है. I don't know why we look, it's not like Colombia, वो ड्रग कार्टेल वाला टाइम नहीं है इंडिया में. Things are very good. You just think of it, Rishabh, and all the people listen to me right now. नहीं, generally मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कि इंडिया में 26/11 के बाद, touch wood, it's almost 10-11 years now, not a single major terrorist event which is pertaining directly to the lives of common people. Of course, we have had Pulwama, we have had Uri attacks, all these things are happening. But common citizen को journey कि मैं market चले जाऊंगा तो bomb blast हो जाएगा, which is happening even in European countries like France में, नीस में हो गया, somebody came and attacked there. India में नहीं. Why? Because the Indian intelligence agencies, the police, the ATS, all these are working very hard. I'm telling you, I can't divulge many things to you, but बहुत चीजें होती behind the scenes. The IB, the NIA, they work very, very well. You should be very proud of all these police officers who are working with limited resources, and I won't say limited anymore because काफी चीजें मिलती हैं आजकल. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं है.
आपने पहले लिमिटेड बोला, बाद में लिमिटेड नहीं बोला, but the point is,
it's a constantly evolving thing. I'm telling you, जैसे आज मैंने कहा ना, मेरे पास गाड़ी पहले एक नहीं थी, आज मेरे पास 4 गाड़ियां हैं. Again, I would say it's limited. Well, depends on the situation.
No,
things are getting better. Things are getting better.
I think young people salute anybody who's contributing to the country, and I say this for a lot of young people that I interact with, that we love the fact that you are doing so much for the country. But I must convey also at the same point in time that there are certain observations that are made, and which is why it's my duty to ask you these questions. Abhi, let me take you to your book and ask you this very important question, because I think it's you've written about it beautifully. आपने एक chapter में लिखा है that आप एक सिचुएशन, कठिन सिचुएशन में फंस गए थे. आपने कोई डॉक्टर को फोन किया एंड वो डॉक्टर ने दूसरे किसी जन को मतलब बोल के आपको वो दुविधा में से निकाला. नाउ and then you stress upon the importance of networking outside your own fraternity. So for young people, what is your message for what's the importance of networking beyond the immediate circle of friends or
networking is not exactly the right answer for that. A lot of people tell me that तुम्हारा network बहुत बढ़िया है, because I know people right from celebrities to very simple people. But I would say, Rishabh, and I would tell, it's a life lesson for all of you. Honestly, I believe in relationships. Actually, मेरा कोई सिपाही जिसने 20 साल पहले भी मेरा थोड़ा भी ख्याल रखा है, I'll never forget him. उसका फोन आज भी आएगा कि सर मुझे ये दिक्कत है, I will try my level best. या किसी आदमी ने कुछ किया मेरे लिए कभी भी, तो relations are two way. Networking है कि जब आपका मतलब हो गया तो आपने उसके लिए कर दिया. तो मेरा पॉइंट ये उस बुक में मैं शायद ढंग से लिख नहीं पाया. I was in deep trouble. और यूजुअली हमारी सर्विसेज में क्या होता है, पर्टिकुलरली हम आइवरी टावर्स में रहते हैं. हम आईपीएस बन गया, मेरे को किसी से मिलना नहीं, किसी से बात नहीं करनी, बिकॉज द सोसाइटी ऑल्सो जजेस यू, आप किससे मिल रहे हैं, किससे क्या कर रहे हैं. बट आई एम नॉट वन ऑफ दोज. आई लव टू मीट एवरीबडी. Obviously, I'm a good judge of people. I can't be friends with everybody, but I'm polite to people and I can make out कौन कैसा है. तो ये हमारे लिए सबके लिए जरूरी है that you know people from outside your circle of comfort also. तो मैं बहुत लोगों को जानता था and he understood my problem, which no IPS officer could have helped me, but he helped me. So the point is, you must know. I'll tell you a small example again. लगेगा पहले मेरे को फिल्म स्टार्स के बारे में बहुत ही गलत आइडिया था, जैसे सबको होता होगा. ये लोग दिन भर पार्टी करते हैं, फालतू के हैं, ये है ये जो हम लोगों को होता है. आई एम एन IPS officer, I should keep aloof from them. I should not meet these people. Ever since I met a few people, my entire idea about them has changed. They are very hardworking, cultured, well-mannered. I can't say about everybody, but the people I know, I'm very lucky to be genuinely friends with them. So now my circle, I know much more about, not मेरा सिर्फ पुलिस वाला ही नहीं है. For example, I know you today. You are much younger than me, but when I meet you, I get new ideas from you. तो कई चीजें होती है, जैसे भारत की वीर है. आपको पता है एक प्रोजेक्ट है जो हमारा बहुत फेवरेट प्रोजेक्ट है. I don't know how many people know about it. Through which we raise money for the martyrs of the Central Police, Armed Police Forces.
Right.
Akshay Kumar is a dear friend of mine, and it was Akshay, हम दोनों का idea था brainstorming, but Akshay was the one who got it implemented. Though I'm an IPS officer, I sent my proposal to the NHA. Obviously, people took cognizance of it, but Akshay went to meet the Honorable HM 4 or 5 times personally. That said, ये करना है, करना है, करना है. Now, if I had never met him, or I had this idea, he's a film actor, he's a film में dance वांस करता होगा, I could have never, actually conceptualized and implemented this thing. And I'm so proud that today we've raised more than 350 crore rupees for the martyrs of the paramilitary forces.
Wow.
So it's huge. So this just gives an example that why you should not meet people from outside your own circle of comfort. Not only circle of competence, circle of comfort also. So we become so cocooned. So I meet a lot of people, doctor हैं, and these doctors से मिल लिया, then I'll get my jawans treated freely at his clinic. तो बहुत चीजें मैं करता हूँ. I take full advantage. जैसे अब ऋषभ आप लोग मिल गए, मुझे आपसे कुछ फायदा होगा मैं पूरा लूंगा. But yes, it will be two-way. It will be relationship. It will not be networking.
I must admire, I was just discussing with them, I must admire the candidness with which you were answering. And इसलिए मुझे आपको ये प्रश्न पूछना था that how important is this relationship building. मेरे से relationship build करके आपको शायद से ज़्यादा फायदा नहीं रहेगा, but vice versa is probably very true. But well, let me also stress upon this. Do you believe then this relationship building or networking in a sense, networking not just to get the immediate thing out, but networking is your net worth at the end of the day? I've always believed that your network is your net worth. Do you think that your network is your net worth?
Absolutely. I live a very beautiful life because I have so many friends, genuine friends, people who love me. And that's, as I told you, I have a two-way relationships. So I think for all the youngsters out there, ultimately, your money, your success, it's all irrelevant if you do not have friends or your family to back you up. So that way I'm very lucky. मैं कहीं भी जाता हूँ, you don't believe I hardly take my wallet with me because they are friends who take care of me, genuine friends. कि अमित आया है तो we'll meet for dinner, who actually feel happy with my success, who are there during my tough times. So that way I'm very proud, very lucky that I have lovely friends and everywhere.
But
so this is it.
Nobody will take money from an IG.
नहीं आपकी बहुत गलत है नहीं यार. मैं भी ऐसा सोचता था कहीं भी जाते पहले जब मैं कुछ मांगता था किसी से बाजार में, बोलता था कुछ डिस्काउंट दे दो, बोलता सर आपको पैसे की क्या कमी है. मैंने कहा भाई किसने बोल दिया आपको. people have a lot of wrong notion, but ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. And I don't tell people everywhere that I'm an IPS officer. आपने किताब में पढ़ा तो एक चैप्टर है where I'm actually embarrassed when I wanted something personally and I could not buy it.
नहीं, आपकी पुस्तक में आपने बहुत सारी अच्छी चीज लिखी है. मैं सब डिस्कस नहीं करना चाहता, बट आपने जो 350 करोड़ की जो चीज बताई, which you raised with Akshay Kumar, I think it's phenomenal. And if people can do anything to amplify that, we'd be the happiest. It may not be amplified in zeros, but whatever we can do, we'd be the happiest to do it. क्योंकि and I think that's a fine example जो आपने बताया that relationship building actually outside comfort zone. जैसे आपने बताया that perception जो थी बॉलीवुड की आपकी पूरी चेंज हो गई. And that's very important for young people also, because all of these questions, many of them are from the perspective that young people think saying that वर्दी पहनी है तो मतलब ये गुंडा है जो वर्दी पहन के हमारे से वसूली कर रहा है. क्योंकि मैं आज जो इंसान को पुलिस के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं था, today in Bombay city is discussing with me, Bombay, Delhi, across the world, in India, don't you think the police force is very corrupt? And I said, let me ask I will not give you my answer. Please log in today at 6:30 p.m. Let me ask an IPS officer whether they are corrupt, whether they're not corrupt. You can make up your mind. But and I really hope there are more people like you, because I've not met many people like you, and that's also contradicting the last 2 minutes of what I just said. But I've not met many people like you. But let me come to Amit ji. Let me come to my last question. आखिरी प्रश्न है, and I borrowed it from Bollywood. I borrowed it from Bollywood from a person who I've got to know, and he's also equally hardworking. The name of his show is Coffee with Karan. So I want to end it with I want to end it by asking you a few questions like he does. It's a rapid fire. Whatever is the first thought that
This
comes
is
to your
great.
mind?
This is for the first time I'm being grilled like that. I love that. Chalo, karo. That's great.
Whatever is the first thought that you need to
Yeah.
जी, तो when I say the word IPS, तो पहली चीज क्या आती है दिमाग में?
Great pride.
Great pride. आलू की सब्जी एंड पूरी, तभी क्या आता है?
Love it. आज खाए lunch में. Love it. Any fattening, deep fried, fat, unhealthy thing. I love it.
India, when कोई बोलता है भारत, India, तो what's the first thought?
Again, great pride. I know sounds cliched, but yes, I think जो भी जिस country में पैदा होता है, he should be proud of that country. I'm very proud of India. Obviously.
And corruption.
Intolerable. Well, I can't tolerate it. Honestly, it should not be tolerated. But then, as I told you, ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती है. देने वाले भी हैं, उनको भी सीखना है.
Correct.
And there's no need for corruption. सीधी सी बात है. Gandhi ji always said that there's enough for everybody's need, not enough for everybody's greed. तो कोई भी ऐसा नहीं. करप्शन बड़ा अजीब है ऋषभ. आप हंसोगे लोगों के जब घर से निकलते हैं ना 100 करोड़ या 300 करोड़. It's a बीमारी है. Can you spend it? You tell me honestly.
जी.
Nobody can do it. Even Jeff Bezos cannot, spend his entire money. It's a bimari. After a certain limit, it's useless. I don't know why people do it. What is the point of complicating your life so much? I really don't know.
Yeah,
When you can watch Netflix for $4.99 per month, सबका सेम ही रेट है, सब कुछ तो सेम ही है, तो मतलब ऐसा क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
अभी आपकी पिक्चर आएगी, पुस्तक पे पिक्चर आने वाली है. I'm told. So Netflix से we'll be able to see it in $4.99 hopefully, or $3.99. But
yeah, whatever the cost is, yeah.
but it's true. I think there's a correlation up until a point in time to earn money and what men desire. But I think beyond the point in time, money becomes immaterial. And I really hope.
I have a lot of desires, Rishabh. I have a lot of desires. I'm telling you, when I told you I was a very timid guy, I could not speak in front of people. I read Chetan's book. I had a desire that I could also become an author like him. I heard somebody speaking publicly. I said I could also become a public speaker like him. I saw my son playing brilliant tennis. I said I would also like to become. So these are my desires. And these are actually what gives me happiness. And I'm sure everybody else also has similar desires. Why would I bother about somebody, living in Los Angeles or somebody living in a very luxurious condo somewhere else? I'm happy with my life. This is my desire. I love Kishore Kumar, so I would love to, my desire is I could sing just 10% like him. This is my desire.
Oh, I'm sure 10% like him. At least from what I've read, that you're a reluctant singer as well. But you're a good singer. But the last one that is there is when I say life in the uniform. What is the first thought that comes to your mind?
Privilege. It's a privilege, life in the uniform, that people look up to you. And, I'm wearing that and I'm in a position that I can bring instant relief to somebody who comes to me. That's not possible in any other service. Even in other civil services, you go through a file, take your time. But my one decision, my one phone call can change somebody's life instantly. So it's a privilege.
It is. Your one phone call can definitely change people's life. I'll give you my number. It's 1234567889. Please save it. But sir, you said that you are a singer, a reluctant one. But there's a lot of requests that comes in. Why don't you sing a little? We'll be your audience for today. किशोर कुमार की 2 लाइन. सबसे फेवरेट सॉन्ग आपका?
सभी अच्छे हैं यार. अब कोशिश कर लेता हूँ. हर शाम आंखों पर तेरा चल लहराए, हर रात यादों की बारात ले आए, मैं सांस लेता हूँ तेरी खुशबू आती है, एक महका महका सा पैगाम लाती है, मेरे दिल की धड़कन भी तेरे गीत गाती है, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो.
अरे वाह. So, so now it's an IPS officer, IG, IIT grad, author, and now hopefully singer. अभी अक्षय कुमार जी को ये आप क्लिप भेजिए. You must send it to him. I'll send it to a few friends in the industry saying we have a budding singer.
इतना आसान होता है, of course with auto tune and other things तब तो हो ही जाएगा.
But honestly, Amit Lodha ji, it was a pleasure to be able to do this conversation with you. I've had many with a lot of people on the author series, but let me tell you this, itna candid conversation. I know some answers you gave diplomatically, but then again, you are serving today in position, so I expected those answers, but you've answered as much as could. And you've you've dispelled a lot of notions that people probably had. Then again, I wish there are more officers like you. And quite honestly, I'll yet say this. I know you don't want to be compared to Singham, but I'd yet say this, that we really need more officers like Bajirao Singham and like Amit Lodha. Then again,
thank you so
much. If you have not watched if you've not read his book, his movie is yet to come, but if you've not yet read his book, I really recommend it because it's a very lucid, easy read. I quite honestly picked it up and I didn't put it down because, like I said, it was a simple conversation. It's called Life in the Uniform. It's published by Penguin and written by this wonderful gentleman. If you have been watching, thank you very much. And Amit Lodha ji, thank you. Thank you. Shukriya.
Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you so much.